Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I wanted to answer a quick question that I've been getting. I've actually received several questions about this little stove I have. And I'm going to assemble it and show you to you. Okay, so here they are. This one here is the Manger. This is made by Bruce at Fab Creations. He even eat carbs outdoors. Put my little initials on there for me. Just an awesome brother. He actually makes these in his garage. And I bought this specifically to do my fatwood for my Fired Up Fridays. And of course, went on the tailgate, went on camera, and nothing ever wants to go together easily. So let me assemble these off camera and I'll show you. Okay, so the Manger's put together. Looks just like this. This little plate here can be a real kind of a pain in the butt. It likes to fall down a lot, but like I said, I bought this for Fatwood Fridays, and then this is the stove. It all holds together with a screw and a nut. You just undo the screw. Pop out this nut, and then you'll have all the pieces. You have the plate, and then the four sides, and I'm going to construct this off camera, because, yeah, camera adds 10 thumbs. Alrighty, so here's the stoves all put together. A little piece fell down again. And then the screw that comes with it, I just pop it back down inside the bag. And then the other one, I don't know where the other one went. Probably underneath. Oh, right here. So I'll just drop it. So you gotta ask for a bag when you buy them. At least I had to. He may just include them automatically. You'll have to email him for pricing, because I don't know what he charges. I mean, he might have given me a little bit of a break because, you know, we're YouTube buddies, but I don't know that for sure. So you have to email them. I didn't ask others, but they paid for theirs. I painted this one myself. I actually did a video. I'll link it below. I bought it. It comes with this rack here, so you can easily, like, I got one right here. You can set like pots on. Gives a little bit more stability. If you're doing a canteen cup, which I don't have with me, but you can set it however you want. I do actually have a cooking video with this. You can feed fuel down the top or slide it in. You know, that's totally movable if you're cooking a brew or something like that. Now I actually have a cooking video idea for the Manger, but I've just been busy, so I haven't really had a chance to get out and do what I want to do. Hopefully that will be soon. Hope, but I have to work all this weekend, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, they're just they're great little stoves, so highly recommended. I will try to link all the videos in the description. Bruce's channel, maybe his email. I'll try to put in the other videos that I made using these, the one where I cook on it, the one where I spray painted it, and then the initial unboxing. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to sub. Bruce's channel. He's a real good guy, great brother, much respect, and I'll catch you in the next one.